Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable expansion. Now it's time to cover the collection preview and collection chooser.
What we're gonna do now is create templates because the custom templates suck. By the way, this is the wrong collection. I'm here. This is
That's how it is. So now we know that he has three collections: all, test collection, and the web course, the dummy collection he's using for all of those videos. And then you have like a preview. Again, the name, the total means all of the elements. He has about 10,000, out of which 6,262 are items, so the rest are topics or tasks, 3,502. Then, out of the total, how many are memorized, so are in the learning process. Out of those, how many are items, okay? Item burden, topic burden, we won't cover that now, but it's just the time investment you will require every day. Total time, this is only for recall time. He spent 1 hour and 11 hours, 1 day and 11 hours. That is 35 hours and a half of recall time. Among 12,871 repetitions, the oral repetitions only for items. The measure for getting index of that collection, 18.8, is slightly higher than usual. The first date of the collection started February 27th of 2020, and the last day was the day of the recording, July 18th, 2020. It's been 4 years. And lastly, the version. Just to let you know that Supermemo 19, 18, 17, they have the same collection format. That means that you can open a collection that you did in Supermemo 19, and you can open it with an older version if you wanted to. That's not true for Supermemo 15 and older versions. That you have to update the version. Once you do that, you cannot go back. Then you have the color. In this case, yellow color means it's the currently opened collection. Okay, let me show you how is the flow more or less. So, do you see here I have the different collections that I open? Okay. So first, you will see each collection that you have in this directory. Happens to be here that I only have one collection, because now I only use one collection. Then I'm using Supermemo 19, and there's a slight difference. Do you see here it says Supermemo 17 and 19 instead of just 19? And it's the same. It's just I have more repetitions and more elements, but they are the same. It's the same metric. Then if I go to a different place, or so many to choose, let's say this one, number 3. Here I have more collections. It's like a preview. Oh yeah, this is very short. Or like a preview. I don't have 10 million. That is because I was testing all of that. And do you see now that it's white? Because it's not the one that I have selected now. It's like very quickly to know that, oh, if it's yellow, means it's the one I have already. Because yes, in Supermemo, you can have more than one collection open at the same time, concurrently, if you really want to. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.